Should I buy Blsp Corp stock? Blsp closed the session of the 26th of February 2021 at $0.0139. And I think in the post market, I believe, 25,000 shares have exchanged hands, or yeah, something like that. But you may have heard that trading was halted on Blsp during the session of that day, 26th of February 2021, by the SEC. So there's some piece of news here. It says SEC, the U.S. Securities SEC, on Friday, the 26th of February, halted trading in 15 companies, which the agency said was an effort to protect investors from a coordinated attempt on social media to artificially influence their share prices. The SEC said none of the 15 companies which are traded on OTC have filed any information with the regulator for more than a year. The SEC's decision to suspend the trading activity comes when the Reddit field trading in GameStop and other stocks has had lawmakers worried. The U.S. House Committee on Financial Services last week concluded an extensive hearing into the trading frenzy. The order the SEC issued on Friday stated that questions have arisen regarding the recent increased activity and volatility in trading in the securities of each of these issuers. In the absence of any publicly available news on recent information by the issuers, and certain social media accounts may be engaged in a coordinated attempt to artificially influence their share prices. Okay, and obviously Blsp was one of them. The SEC's recent suspension of trading into nearly 2 dozen securities includes 15 that day. One facet of an ongoing effort to police the market and protect investors. Okay, according to Melissa Hodgman, acting director of SEC's Division of Enforcement, said in a statement. Okay, you can see the companies which trading was suspended. Obviously, you can see there, Bebida Beverage, Blsp, E-House Global. Okay, that's with that. This is also quite popular. E-House. Okay, and yes. And a whole lot of them, So, well, yeah, going back to that now, we can see that over the last 1 year, Blsp has increased by 13,000%. You can see that. So, it says it's Blsp Corporation is an international independent power producer. The company focuses on developing and acquiring projects with clean energy technologies, including waste to energy facilities that generate clean energy, such as electricity, natural gas, heat, soil amendment, and other byproducts. As of December 2016, the company was developing, constructing, or operating as applicable 14 projects related to its strategy of acquisition, development, or operations of waste energy facilities, including developing projects for which it has entered into non-binding letters of intent to acquire additional biogas facilities in Italy and to develop and construct waste to energy facilities in the United States, the Netherlands, and the United Kingdom and Israel. The company is engaged in evaluating various types of projects such as anaerobic digestion to electricity, landfill gas to energy, and anaerobic digestion to renewable natural gas. Okay, so well, you before we say anything, we just see what's going on here. You can see it has a market cap of $73.8 million, 5.3 billion shares outstanding. And coming down here, we can see that Blsp appears to be correcting within a longer-term bullish trend. Okay, it is correcting within a longer-term bullish trend, no doubt about that. Although its MACD is presently below the signal line, shares remain 368.4% above an upward sloping 200-day moving average. It is outperforming the S&P 500 index. Okay, so I believe the MACD is improving, or if it's the momentum for Blsp, Blsp is strongly bearish. The 14 period slow stochastic oscillator is below 20, the level which many analysts call oversold. This means that investors have been actively selling shares and driving the price lower. Okay, let's have a look and see the momentum. Yes, all right, yes, it's in the negative territory here. We can see that the 14 period slow stochastic oscillator is in negative territory. Yes, we can see that. So, but it's at the same time it's also improving. It's looking up gradually. So the unbalanced volume indicator, it looks like it hasn't been as strong as it was before, and it says the unbalanced volume shows that longer term accumulation is giving way to near term selling pressure. Okay, but still not yeah, it's not so wonderful. So the about 168 million shares were sold or traded on that during that session, and the value of all of those shares was $2.34 million. So it's expected that this stock will gain up to 341% within the next few sessions, up to 50 to 60 trading sessions from now on. That is the expectation, and there's a 90% probability that it will trade between $0.0614 and $0.16. So yeah, that's just a speculation, and none of those prices on this scale, because it hasn't reached that those levels yet. So if, assuming you entered this stock on the 17th of February somewhere, which is at $0.18 somewhere here, assuming enter the stock somewhere $0.18, somewhere, exactly somewhere 17th of February, you know, this somewhere there, exactly somewhere there, 17th, exactly somewhere there at $0.18. So yeah, there, $0.17 on this, and then, you know, obviously since that time it declined further to this price of 0.13. So we determine the extension and retracement levels from this current price of 0.14 as 0.0171, which will be somewhere here, 0.171, which will be the 61.8 extension level, and then 100% level will be 0.019, just slightly below it, somewhere there. So it also turns out that it is speculated that this stock will see some resistance at that 61.8% extension level, which is somewhere here. So but further, if you were to retrace further, then the next retracement level will be 0.0128, roughly $0.13. That will be the 23.6 retracement level, and then the 38.2 retracement level will bring it down to 0. Somewhere around there as well, and then the 50% retracement level bring it down to 0.011, somewhere around there as well, and then 61.8 will bring it down to here, $0.010. So, but in any case though, given all that is going on, given the fact that the SEC is getting involved with Blsp, suspending it or halting its trading, and amongst other things, which is that the company hasn't filed any disclosure since over a year now, and you know, there isn't any information, there isn't any disclosure concerning the company. You know, people don't exactly know what's going on. Indeed, people may be getting information from informally concerning the company. We have not dug deep to see what's going on out there. We'll do that in subsequent updates. So the message obviously is just be careful. The company seems to be in the renewable energy space, but you just have to balance everything. Just be really, really careful. And if you're gonna get involved, you have to just be careful. Don't stake your savings on the stock. Just observe, see what's going on with this interest from the public. Maybe the company may be forced to come out and face the public, come out and disclose documents and news and updates, and let people scrutinize them, and let market participants scrutinize them, and you will see whether it is worth your money, worth your time, and all that stuff. So we'll continue to update you on Blsp. And if you want to get involved, just be careful. I can't tell you don't do that or not. So you decide if it's what you want to do. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for watching this video and getting involved. Thank you.